No, you are going to learning Python language. This is our first software in which we create hello world by using Python code. First Python code is print. This is my first software in Python. Now I also writing another command for print hello world. Now I am writing third command print welcome to learning Python. Now I am going to run the module. So there is an error that you are using print capital P instead of small p. Now I will change capital P to small p, that is Python language sometimes correct way. So this is our software, first software, simple, where we say hello world and welcome to learning Python. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe my channel.